More update information to share with you guys. As we've heard, a federal judge has issued a temporary restraining order that blocks the executive order which ends birthright citizenship. In this video, we're going to take a look at that order, see what it says, see what it does, and then discuss what are some of the things we can expect following this order. So here we have the order. For context, guys, several organizations and states throughout the U.S. filed suit. We looked at one particular complaint that was filed by the ACLU of New Hampshire earlier in the week. This particular order speaks to the states of Washington, Arizona, and Illinois, also Oregon, that filed their own lawsuits as well. Now, in this introduction paragraph of the order, it indicates that having considered the motion, defendant's response, and the arguments of the parties, the court grants the plaintiff's emergency motion for a 14-day temporary restraining order, which became effective yesterday, 11 a.m. 14 days from yesterday, January 23rd, guys, is February 6th. Now, in this order, the judge made certain findings, such as finding that the plaintiffs would suffer some sort of harm. Likewise, finding that these harms are immediate, ongoing, and significant and cannot be remedied in the ordinary course of the litigation. And further, the court found that a temporary restraining order against defendants, as stated below, is necessary until the court can consider plaintiff state's forthcoming motion for a preliminary injunction. Now, the court also made certain findings of law, and that is the findings of law or conclusions of law is that plaintiffs have standing to bring this suit. They've made sufficient showing of concrete and imminent economic injury. The court also goes on to find a conclusion of law or make a conclusion of law that the plaintiffs also have standing to challenge the order because of the new and ongoing operational costs. Now let's dive a little bit further down where the court says there is a strong likelihood that plaintiffs will succeed on the merits of their claims, that the executive order violates the 14th Amendment and Immigration Nationality Act. Now let's go further down to the section that talks about what the restraining order does. Now, earlier in the week, we looked at the executive order, which provides several sections as to its enforcement. Now, in this order, the court lays out that the defendants are enjoined. That just means they are prevented from enforcing or implementing Section 2A, Section 3A, and Section 3B of the executive order. As a reminder, Section 2A of the executive order directed that no citizenship certificates would be issued for any birth that occurred after the effective date of the order. Section 3A directed certain agencies like the Department of Agriculture, Social Security Administration, those departments not to take any action as far as issuing citizenship certificates or birth certificates, excuse me. And Section 3B of the order ordered that the agencies were to put together policies, procedures, and protocol as to how they would be enforcing or implementing this executive order. So this temporary restraining order blocks all of that from happening for 14 days, which is February 6th, as I indicated. So what are some of the things that we can expect from here? From here, we can expect that within 14 days, the court can either extend the temporary restraining order or the court can issue a ruling on the plaintiff's preliminary injunction once it's filed. So as things continue to unfold, we will definitely bring that to you. I do thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.